Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw work from Basecamp projects while preserving comments, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw work from Basecamp projects while preserving comments, begin by logging into your Basecamp account. Locate the project from which you want to withdraw the work. Click on the project to open it. Navigate to the To-Do section if the work is task-related. Select the specific to-do item you wish to withdraw. Click on the to-do to view its details. Next, copy any comments associated with that to-do item. You can do this by highlighting the comments and using the copy function. Now, return to your main project dashboard. Consider where you want to store the withdrawn work and comments. Open a document or note-taking application of your choice. Paste the copied comments into this document. Once you have the comments saved, return to Basecamp. If you plan to withdraw additional work, repeat the process for each to-do item. For discussions or messages, navigate to the message board of the project. Select any relevant discussions you want to include in your withdrawal. Copy comments from these discussions in the same way as before. Paste them into your document to keep a complete record. After you've compiled all necessary comments, you can now proceed. If you need to withdraw files, go to the Files section of the project. Select any files you want to withdraw and download them to your computer. Once you have all work, comments, and files saved, you can move them to your preferred location. Remember to regularly back up your newly created document to prevent loss. You have now successfully withdrawn work from a Basecamp project while preserving all comments and necessary details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.